The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, it is the evening before an amazing adventure. How do I know it's going to be an amazing adventure? Because I'm making sure I'm prepared. So this van in a nutshell is a 7-seater van. I have pulled out all the seats from the back because I'm going to be camping inside of my van. Why am I camping inside of my van? Funny story, where we're going to be camping, Crocs are known to be there, so yeah, it makes sense to be somewhere safe and secure. So I'm gonna be setting up my bedding and all that stuff inside the van, so look out for that tomorrow. Then the next thing, of course, once you go camping and you're camping with the boys, you need to have drinks, and I'm going to be the talk of the town. I know this because I'm bringing my fridge. Now, funny story is when ICECO hit me up and they said, hey, do you want to check out the JP40 or 50 Pro and talk about it a little bit, I kind of was like, not really, because I have a fridge from them already, which I take with me on all my camping trips, and it works pretty well. But when they said Pro, they kind of sold me, because most products, once it has Pro at the end of it, it usually means that it should be better. Anyway, I paid an arm and a leg just to ship this to customs. If you're a Jamaican, you know exactly what I'm talking about, to get this beautiful fridge here. Now, once I got the fridge, I kind of smiled out loud because it had some features I'm gonna show you guys really quick that is different from the fridge I have before that I really like. Double door opening. So if you don't have a van like mine, you can set it up anyhow you want to. So you can open it from that side, you can open it from this side. That is a winner. And of course, where you can plug in the fridge. So the fridge I had before only has one side. This gives you like versatility. Plug it here or plug it there. I mean, that's super cool. So it works with almost every setup in the car. Now the next thing is, what I got with this is a bag. Why is a bag important? It reduces a lot of the stress on the fridge with the external heat. So of course you're going to protect all that beautiful shininess, and of course, yeah, it's going to keep it a lot colder. Now the next thing, I mean, the fridge is not on, I'll show you guys tomorrow. It has a UV light inside which sanitizes the fridge, which is super cool, and also you can see in the night. Then when they said power bank, I kind of laughed. Now this is why yes, it's magnetized, it's stuck on the fridge. It's kind of crazy. I guess that's what they call it, a Pro. But when they said they're gonna send me a power bank, I kind of laughed. And the reason why I laughed, I was like, yo, I already have like 4 different power banks. But when I saw this, I immediately knew what the reason of it was. Now this fridge here has some wheels, so you can wheel it onto the beach. But when I thought about it, I was just like, yo, if I were to bring my big old power banks to power a fridge, it makes no sense when I could use this and it will power it quite effectively. Tested it, amazing. And compared to my other model, I don't know, for some reason I feel like this one is bigger. I'd probably have to check the stats on it, but yeah, I kind of like the deepness of this fridge. Like, it feels like it has a lot more space, and it gives me a lot more space in here because it's a lot more narrower than the other one. Now, before you guys get too excited, it is not wireless charging. You can plug it in to the fridge in that port there, and of course you can power other stuff with it as well, so USB-C and USB port. Now this, I think, is the most important feature to have with a fridge like this, is the slide there. I kind of jimmy rigged it into the van. Really, you're supposed to bolt it in like 6 ways, but I jimmy rigged it in and it's perfectly fine. But the good part about it is, obviously, my other fridge I had to be doing this, trying to reach into the fridge. That's kind of annoying when you can just pull it out like this and you get better access to get your foods cooked and everything like that. So that's that. We're going to see this fridge in action tomorrow, where you're going to be welcomed back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Anyhow, let me stop smiling because I'm going to have to pack this entire van for that trip tomorrow. Catch you guys in the morning. All right guys, it is the morning now and I am super excited. I'm actually running on like about 5 hours for the past 2 days. It's been ridiculous, but the van back is packed. Like I mentioned to you guys before, we're always trying to work on the setup to make things a lot easier, especially with the pack out and the pack process. So anyway, I'm sure at some point again I will be van camping. I got here pretty early, but now Brent is here. We're at the toll plaza, that's the link up area, and of course with these vans someone has car trouble, so it's kind of slowing us down a little bit. But anyway, we are going to head out now. Jilly is She's a sick bird right now, not feeling so good, but yeah, she wants to be on the trip, so we are going to head out to the St. Elizabeth area and we're going to do some scouting for a nice beach area to camp out today. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the road.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown, when I return from the afterglow.
Alright guys, so we have made a quick stop by Jack Sprat because we're going to check some coordinates, Google Earth to find exactly where we're going to enter this beach on. So yeah, it's going to be an adventure, man. So far, I'm super excited, bro.
I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. We'll be together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately.
Alright guys, so we're just doing a scouting walk. It's always best to just walk the area, make sure that everything is good, as opposed to just driving there and then you get screwed. So of course, the objective is to, just like I'm doing now, trying to avoid the salt water, which I don't think we're going to be able to do unless we're going to chainsaw our way out through all of these things here. But yeah, trying to get to a pretty cool side of the beach, so let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so yeah, that is a no-go. It's gonna take too much work, but so we're heading straight back where we came. What a beautiful stretch of beach though. Jeez, look at that. It's really nice. Oh yeah. Alright. Try to walk this. Alright, so did a quick little walk just now to see where we're gonna be headed to. And yeah, we're going down a dune. The hardest part is gonna be going back up. You ready? Ready, man. Alright. Yo, the setup is sick.
All right, test run successful.
He's in the bush.
Yeah.
Can't fling him out for you, man.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
What? That is a fault of them. This thing hot.
All right, mama, we made it down. So, yo, this is so freaking cool. I love this old girl. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go down there, see if we need to chop some more bush or whatever, and yeah, vibe. All right, saw what we need to see, and we move. To the beach, but we have a super long way to go because we're trying to head over to Parity. All right, let's go. Alright, so what are we doing here? Really and truly acting a fool. We're doing some really crazy stuff because we're not going this way, we're actually going back that way. But yeah, just some good old fun. Alright, so we are heading out. Alright, so we are on the beach running it. It's very bumpy and shaky, and yeah, the JP50 Pro is going well. It's going really good. I keep saying 40-50 because I'm not quite sure what model exactly I have. All I know is like it's really good. I can't wait when we stop and we get to the camp for us to just have a really cold beer. Alright, so we are trying to get over there to Parity Point, so we just pulled up just now, checked a couple stuff. Yeah, I definitely need to make sure I bolt down my fridge. That's a must, but like I said, I Jimmy rigged it. But yeah, so far, it has been a hell of a ride, yo. Jano, Jamaica is amazing, man. Super awesome. Super awesome. Can I interest you in a drink, yeah? What would you like?
Like a margarita.
A margarita? I have some kind of bitters. It's sorrel bitters.
Yeah.
You try?
K-Star, this is for you, K-Star! We miss you! To meet me because yeah, sorry about that, miss. This is as far as your service goes. I've never had this one before. Tell me what you think.
right, so we basically picked out where we want to camp out. This is gonna be freaking awesome. So this is already set up out here. So yeah, I'm gonna put the kitchen right here, which is gonna give us superb maneuverability because I won't have to set up like a whole tarp or anything like that. And yeah, it's a vibe. Being out here, it's kind of showing me more stuff I need to get to be like super prepared for more trips like these. And yeah, let's set up and get ready to cook something up. Hopefully we'll be able to cook up some stewed pork tonight. Jilly's gonna make her famous rice and peas and do some coleslaw and some plantain, and of course we're gonna have some beers.
Yo, Sebastian, you came prepared, bro.
Yes, bro.
Yo,
Ready for anything.
look at these boys. Yeah. Okay, this one is a pretty big contraption. Usually, you know, you go for what's gonna fit your setup. So this one's big and heavy, but you know you can cook like some real big pot of some Jamaican soup with this. Vibes. And let's show you Brent down here. Brent to play some music, so you know if I go turn back cause YouTube copyright infringement. I'm kidding. Brent start cook already. No jokes. Yo, where did you get the 1 pound tank, bro?
No, trust me, you can't find them.
Super hard.
These 4 for about 2 years, and I want to change them.
But you can't.
Nobody out there has. In the Super Valley get them.
They're gone.
Gone.
Yeah. All right. In the meantime, let's just connect this power bank because the van is off. There we go. You remember I told you in the start of the video with this, like for example, this whole setup here. Yeah, sun. So the van is going to be hot, and this is going to help to eliminate all that cool loss. Anyway, let's keep setting up our little site. About to say no normally in the kitchen.
Yeah, those who camp with me know who the chef is in the house, so it ain't I.
But I respect that we have something to eat right out the forward camera.
Yeah,
bless up, Brent.
So the first thing is that.
Anybody else want that plate?
Is somebody seasoning it, right? You season it? It's good.
Want that plate, Steve?
Can't bung this, you know. Thanks.
Anybody want the well done one?
I think I'll snatch another one. Thank you so much, sir. All right, I need to get this closer to the cooking area. Oh, good. Yeah, we're taking it off now.
All right, you tell me what to do.
Yeah.
Just straight up?
Yep.
Okay.
There we go.
I didn't know if it was... Where you want to put it?
Anywhere close. Here's where. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So what that you use as your
Power bank.
the power bank?
Yeah, to power it.
Oh, so why did the solar panel couldn't put on top of this one?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So you would have power right through.
Definitely. But this power bank could power this for like, I would say easily a day.
A day? But I would keep it charged same way I would plug in the solar.
Oh yeah, the main power bank is in there getting charged.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have more than one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Everybody a beat liquor, but you don't know. Some of my favorite drink. Oh yeah.
Easy thing that one.
Yo, I love chat to Sebastian because talk about eggs Benedict. Not a lot of people like know how to do it.
Easy breakfast thing that
Easy
one.
breakfast. So we're gonna do that tomorrow, right?
Breakfast thing.
Vibes.
Eggs and bacon.
Oh yeah.
Hard old bread.
Oh yeah. Yeah man, this is always a perfect getaway when you have no service. Yo! So Brent is trying to win, sir. I don't know if you guys can see him way over there. How was it?
This is not beginner's breeze. Trust me. Box me left, right out there. Poop, poop. Wait until in the morning.
Babe, look down here. You see a toilet?
Sebastian have the plug. Him have the plug. I like him.
Sebastian carried his mobile bathroom, which is cool.
Bucket.
Yeah. Alright, so because I don't want Jilly, you was about you want to blow it with her?
But you can just put 2 round the back.
On the back?
Yeah. On the back will be fine. They're like deodorizers and they gel up liquids.
Yo.
So if, you know, most of the time when you fish, you take a piss as well.
Yeah. So put it into that gel.
Yeah. So at least your bag isn't full of like sloshing around liquid.
Got you. Jilly, come look on this.
Toilet ready. And I have Lysol wipes in another basket.
Wow. I was telling you, he puts a gel in there.
Oh yeah, there's got gel in there. All liquids gel up.
Oh.
So if you pee in there, it gels up.
You don't have a bag of liquid, you have a bag of gel.
And when you use it, you have to toss it up in the bush. But it's biodegradable bags. Do that person have to rebag it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta rebag it.
If you
So.
use it, you rebag it.
Yeah,
Then
fine.
I next go powder bucket. I have them in the car.
So
You might as
cool.
well leave it open like it breeze out.
Thanks. Alright, so we're just here basically chilling. Yeah, that's it. Probably in the evening, not probably, we are going to have some cook-ups in the evening, so until then. Wait, I need my shorts. Screw it, I'm just gonna take off the pants. Babe, I coming out here in my drawers. You know, my drawers. Babe, this is actually lit. It's like the water just... Put your foot upon me. Yeah. Oh, what? The what? Oh! Whoa.
It's hard now when I went over there. It's hard.
Jesus. I don't really quite mind the tied up that a while ago, which is just like, oh my gosh, what the hell? Jilly was over here, and you know, what I really like about the experience thus far is just like, it's just like-minded people, you know, finding your group of people. So, you know, some people have some modern cars, older cars, but the whole binding factor is just off-road freedom, finding an area just to camp out. And we've just been talking, but Jilly was over here and I was just like, you know what, let me come chill with her for a bit. And right here, so shell, it feels really good. It feels even better than a hammock. Way better than a hammock. It's so good.
Like a dream catcher hammock. Right?
Exactly. When I saw the netting, I was just like, yeah, definitely like a dream catcher.
I think I'd want one of these over my pool. I'd want one of these over my pool if I had a pool at my house.
Okay.
I'll put one of these over my pool. Just lie down and just chill over the water.
Yeah.
Different water line, but one common ground is appreciated. Like Sebastian can bring a toilet, then he can park. Then he can park. Like,
Because he
like
brought
like
a toilet.
people, yeah man, they understand the need to go to the bathroom in the morning when you're in.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth.
All right, so food is here.
Yeah, catch me in my box, I'll be like, okay. Here's the thing, if I take the shots out here, there's one more wet thing for dry later. I can't be with that right now. There's a tandoori shrimp with some butter.
I am tasting tandoori right away.
Nice, oh. Only thing would make it nice as a charcoal grill. But just got a basic tandoori mix in this market. Greek yogurt, salt, black pepper, a bit of fresh ginger grated into it.
It's good. It was quick.
And probably about 10 minutes on the grill so much. Look, I kept moving them around trying to find the hot spots, cooling it down. And but I love about tandoori shrimp. One of my favorite ways. The next way you guys will see later is the ginger scallion Sichuan peppercorn one. That one's really cool. That one will have a grape. I'll put that one in a frying pan.
This is even better than the Indians, bro. I find the Indians is more heavily spiced.
Sometimes they're over-spiced though.
This is just like, yeah.
And for the spiciness, instead of adding like regular chilies, I like little scotch bonnet. So you get a little more familiar flavor with it.
Feel that. Oh snap.
Well, it's just a little bit of scotch bonnet going there. Maybe like a tablespoon for the whole bag of shrimp. I think it was like a 1 pound bag. 1.5 pound.
Slit. Good job. Have run that.
Yes, give me a 10 grams.
Half of your hair. A crab? A crab? It got a bit early.
The last time we stayed until 1 o'clock, I got to River and Edgar cussed me. Edgar cussed beer bad when he come in 10. So they shut up now. Edgar upset.
You young people.
Can I tell you?
The youngest one, so big man in the off-roading group. Me are young, so most of them are in their 50s. them almost my father age, most of them are in the off-road group. But young.
But I have a video where there was no clouds and I carried my jet ski that time. So it's when the sun was setting, it had a trail, the sun set on the water. And then we rode the jet ski straight to the trail and like it just disappeared into heaven. Like it just was an epic shot.
There's that part, what do you call it? Yellow Brick Road in the night with the moon.
Oh, with the moon?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the front gate.
But Negril though, Negril is the same thing. You can walk 7 mile stretch on the beach.
Yeah, man, you can buy the sun.
But Negril is probably the only place that really allows everybody to get onto it easily.
And I want to tell you, say, that's somewhat recent time because even where even where hedonism is, you used to could walk and then you see a security come out and try to stop you, and if you don't know the law, you turn back.
They still do it, you know.
They still do it?
They still try to do it.
Yeah.
So free. Early in the night, but that's it. It's a spring.
I'm gonna say a beer muddy. Oh, I'm going to muddy water.
No, but there was upside down, man. I said we need some east in it because also the first thing I go to, but even asleep in the car because where my car was parked, and I never want to move because it was late. I said we can't turn on. We're gonna have the soup, we have curry chicken, we have lobster. Yeah, it was buffet, man. Nice vibes.
Alright guys, so we've been chilling out in the water. Well, the guys are coming in now. But that has been a vibe. But you don't know, I'm gonna be super hungry because I never had any dinner yesterday, so kinda want a really nice dinner. So Jilly doing up the rice and peas. We're gonna deal with some pork as well. So yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. And of course, I'm gonna have a couple beers. Guys, if you check on the date, Jilly seasoned up these pork shoulders from April 16, 2022. So that's whole relative. That's like over a week. Yeah, it is now April 30th, so 2 weeks. Yeah, so I dropped it in the freezer though, so won't be worrying about like bacteria or anything like that, so it's good.
The tide is coming up high, Brent. I think it was here, but
Alright, so for a stew pork, it's some simple ingredients. I think one of the main ones is definitely some ginger. Make sure you have some nicely fine chopped ginger there. Of course, some onions, some garlic. These things you want them to be finely chopped. It just works a lot better that way.
some allspice. In Jamaica we call them pimento. You don't know, you have to have your escallion, thyme, your pepper. I like adding a little bit of whole cloves, add a bit of chopped up carrots, some sweet pepper. You don't know, it's the vibes. You guys can add whatever it is that brings out your brown stew pork, but for me, I just think brown stew pork just goes really well with ginger. My mom sometimes even used Stone's ginger wine inside of her pork, and I kid you not, it's really good. Alright, so the first step is just to be browning the pork. Put some color on it. It is some of the. Alright, so we have some more seasons them that I mentioned before that stuff. Good.
Offset.
Can I put in this?
I know the companies that have anytime you want them, if I go to Australia, that is on. I'm not going to Australia if I'm not renting a vehicle for like a week. Tasmania, it's a separate island.
Island a while ago. Tastes so good. Alright. Some of the nice marinated juices. Got that in there.
You want half it or how much?
I like half, yeah. Oh yeah. Gracias. Alright, so scotch.
Drop in a pot.
I know, pepper nice.
Alright, so we have some cabbage with carrots cut up, so we're gonna make a quick little coleslaw.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't mind if anything raw goes on here? I have another clean cutting board if we need for later, alright?
That's fine. What you working on, Sebastian?
The bacon for the bacon mushroom onion sauce for the steak.
Oh yeah.
What is that here?
It's just bacon. We're gonna start to render the fat down so we can add some onion and mushrooms and make a nice little sauce, you know?
One of my favorite things, mushrooms. Oh yeah. So that's the coleslaw. I like my coleslaw with a bit of sweet, and I don't like it too runny. So be able to do this and not a bunch of liquids.
You have that confit garlic?
Yeah, you need it?
I'll take a little bit.
Yeah. Some. Wait, no, it has a bit of spice to it, okay?
Spiciness?
Yeah.
It's alright, man. I can mush them out.
Mush them right out.
But the bacon looking crispy.
Yo, bro, that on some freaking steak?
It's gonna be amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Nice ribeye.
Oh, shoot. Beautiful.
Prime. Seasoned well. Yo, somebody put one piece of file for me.
Add in a bit of sugar. A little bit more water because we want to cook down a little bit more. And then finish off with a little bit of ketchup, of course. Alright, final thing we're going to be adding is just some sweet peppers and some carrots.
So the corn is not for the stew pork, but I don't know, Sebastian just want to do a little steam with it. So we're steaming some in here and then some got roasted.
Finally.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to get one of these.
Look on niblet.
Proper medium done steak. Yo, flavor pack. Guys, all we can say, everything on the plate here, bad. You see me? That's all we can tell you. I don't really want a video to work right now. I just want to eat.
Yo, just feel like I want to little family cook out.
Right? Like a real family cook out, fact. So Chad, you eat the first serving all over?
Bread bad, one slice of bread and it's bad. Especially with coleslaw.
Coleslaw, right?
It comes like a hamburger you eat.
A burger?
It's a coleslaw.
Oh, there's coleslaw right there. Alright guys, so today has been a amazing day. Right now I am going to knock back some brew. Yo, for the persons who are interested in the fridge, make sure you check the link in the description box. I'll put all the information there for you guys. I mean, a couple guys out here, they saw how the fridge, you know, it worked, and they're like, yo, even just like the door, the way how it opens and stuff, crazy. Yeah, kept everything cool, and today was an amazingly cool day just the same. Anyway guys, if you guys want to see more on how we finish this adventure, consider subscribing and then hop over to the next video that I'm going to upload after this one to see how the morning goes. Right now the tide is coming in, so hopefully we don't get beached here. For those who are concerned where I'm going to sleep or where Jilly and I are going to sleep, it's going to be in the van. We're doing a little bit of overlanding, so that's going to be the vibe. And yeah, oh, I did say in the beginning that, yo, crocodiles, we changed where we're going to camp out exactly, so yeah, we should be good in that regard. Anyway, catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep it linked.
That's the way I see it. Once I go on the plane, so I know it's kind of crazy, but